nakatayo na.
only.
Nakatayo na ang ating mga Shaggy's V-League fanatics dito sa loob ng the arena in San Juan. I wanna offer my seat but baka hindi pumayag yung katabi ko na iba ang katabi dito sa panel.
Oo, isang buwan ka naming na-miss, Doc eh.
And like what we've said, talagang this semi-final round. Oh, nice coverage by Sheila Pineda. Free ball for UST. Tunay gets the reception, or the dig.
No touch from the blockers, according to the referee.
Guevara comes out, or goes out, I should say, and Pisa comes in.
The Lady Falcons still with more errors as compared to UST, 8-6. But Adamson's, despite the fact that they've had their share of service error, is serving better than UST. 2 points from service aces.
Oh, nice set to Angela.
Combination
but
play.
there's a net.
Net
called.
violation error from UST. Lucky break for Adamson because that last hit went outside.
Very, very lucky break there. And that is enough to give Adamson a 1-point lead. 17 serving 16. Pisa with a good serve. Taas yung set. But
there's another hold there in the defense for Adamson.
Maganda-ganda tong third set. Dikit. 17 all. Jessie, as she gets ready for her serve. Eksakto, tumawid.
Angela Binting, cross court. Good block there. Ball is still alive, and this is a free ball.
Nice. Oh, kept alive. Nice save from UST. Makatuno had the right thing in mind.
Pao Soriano.
Grabe, Pao Soriano.
Excellent hit from Pao Soriano. And credit also that play to the good set of Makatuno.
I think this is the first clean hit from Pao, no, na nakita natin. Itong ganda talaga. The approach is perfect. The line was good. The angle was definitely good.
So again, let's credit half the point to Makatuno for a good set.
Oh! Wow.
And Tunay, of course, choosing the path. Kung nasan yung mas maliit na blocker, so doon niya pinadaan kay Makatuno.
Bumitin eh. Bumitin si Tunay. 18 all.
Pao Soriano off the block. Kept alive by Dusaran. Soriano once again.
That point going to Adamson.
Pao Soriano now with 13 points. 11 points from attack, 2 from block.
Makatuno, that service in.
And Tunay sends it outside. Adamson continues on with the lead, up by 2, 20-18. And we can see now Maizo and Dimakulangan being brought back in.
Yep.
So ayaw na palayuin pa ni Coach Oji Mamo ng kalamangan ng Lady Falcons. Oh, solid block from Pao Soriano, but that was good coverage from UST.
Again, deflected by the block.
Another solid block from Pao
that's a
Soriano.
good save. That's a good save.
Excellent
Smart play
save from UST.
Dusaran. Wow, Dusaran heads a play from Dusaran.
Another block from Pao, and this time around, hindi na po naiangat ng UST. Pao Soriano definitely very busy at the net.
Look at this block from Pao and Cortel. Ayun, solid. Dusaran hindi na inabot. Up by 3 Adamson. What a play there from the blockers of Adamson. Pao Soriano, Cortel.
So they were really working double time at the net. And definitely, gusto talaga, makikita mo talaga they really wanted to win this set.
Ito, 3 points ang lamang ng Adamson. Tignan natin ang gagawin ng UST. Off speed from Aiza Maizo. Now it's a 2-point lead. Ang magsiserve ay si Mela Tunay. Mela with a serve. Nice serve from Mela. Oops. Poor reception from Listana. Pao Soriano hits it against the block.
Angela Binting is there. They go to Pau once again, who drops it. It is kept alive. Pau
Yes.
Soriano once again for the Lady Falcons. So she has definitely been very busy at the net. Talagang walang pinalagpas na bola tong si Pau.
De Boom Facil. Serving for Adamson. They're up by 3 points. Nice serve. Ooh.
Once again, the Lady Falcons struggling a bit sa kanilang defense. You know, I think they have been very loose to sa floor defense nila. So,
Yeah,
should
parang,
be compensated dapat to sa kanilang blocking at the net.
Ortiz with a good serve.
Guevara scores one for the Lady Falcons.
At napatawag ng timeout si Coach Mamon. 2 points na lang ang kailangan ng Adamson to win this third. That's the send in first to USD timeout.
Pag natin ibigay ito, lamang sila ng tatlo, pressure game. Hinahabol natin dati 4 na puntos. Ha? Huwag kayong mag-error. Sino mag-receive? Tapangan nyo. Huwag mong iasa sa kanya. Akuin mo. Ha? Isipin na lang sa receive.
In that sequence, as Adamson finds themselves 2 points shy of winning this third set. Itong UST naman, 3 puntos ang hahabulin to tie Adamson at 23.
Pineda for the serve. The serve is good. They would go to Maizo.
It's a free ball given to USC by Angela.
Off the block.
And that's where Jessie De Leon is very, very effective, no? Pag yung mga 50-50 balls, with her length, easily can reach it and get the point. Lady Falcons timeout. Let's listen in.
Saan ka na dahil? Ito, di ba ito? B. Hindi porket B, hindi ka decoy dyan, kailangan pumatay. O tres, pwede ka mag-set sa tres, pwede. Pero importante ito si Len. Receive, C5. Receive, C5, ha? Bakit naman na? Wala problema. Okay? Yung receiver niya. Dapat, di ba? Ayun na.
There was late reaction from Guevara there. Maizo with the serve.
Excellent serve.
Benting off the block, kept alive.
Oh!
Guevara into the net, but the ball is still alive.
That was saved. Okay lang yun. Second touch pa lang yun.
Angela Benting hits it outside.
Outside, no touch. And Sherwin Meneses, the coach of Adamson, trying to get the call. And that call actually is a net violation
From
pala.
Angela. Let's take a look at that again.
Tingnan natin kung mag-net nga siya. Oh, sumabit. Doon sa follow-through ng palo. Wow. 22 serving 23 here in the third set. Nice set. Dikit. Another.
And Angela Benting, you know, she is very effective with those kind of jousts at the net.
The upper body strength really counts a lot in those 50-50 jousts. It is set point for the Lady Falcons. Tingnan natin ang mangyayari. Maizo with a reception. Oh, they save it.
And it is
It's a free ball for Adamson.
They will go to Benting. Dusaran tried to save it, but it is the Lady Falcons who wins here in set number 3, 22-25.
That was a gritty stand there from Adamson. Winning the third set, 25-22, holding off that rally of UST. Let's look at our shaky shake and play.
Here we go. This is the setup for Angela Benting. And Dusaran, we can see, is trying to save that.
Ayan na, 25-22 ang third set. Napunta sa Adamson. We'll be right back for the fourth.